In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Krea AI video generator. By the end, you'll know how to turn a simple text description into a short, eye-catching video using Krea's clean, beginner-friendly interface. We'll move from opening the site to entering a prompt to generating and downloading your finished clip, all in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to Krea AI app. This is the workspace where everything happens. Give the page a second to load and you'll land in the Krea app. Think of this as your creative canvas. On one side, you'll have tools to describe what you want, and on the other, a space where your results will appear once they're processed. Next, select the video option. This switches Krea into video generation mode so it knows you're creating motion, not a still image. The interface will show a prompt box where you'll describe your idea and a preview area that will display your generated animation when it's ready. Keep this page open while you work. You'll return here after each generation. Now, type your prompt. Clear, specific language makes a big difference. Include the subject, the action, the setting, and the style or mood you're aiming for. For example, a cozy slow-motion shot of steam swirling from a ceramic mug on a wooden table at sunrise, soft natural light, shallow depth of field, cinematic look. Short sentences or phrases are fine, just be descriptive. If there's anything you don't want to see, add that too, like no text, no logos. You can also suggest camera behavior, terms like slow pan, handheld feel, or macro detail. Help Krea understand motion and framing. When you're happy with the wording, click Generate. Krea will process your request for a moment, then your preview will appear. Press play to watch it all the way through. If it captures your idea, use the download button to save the video to your device, typically as an MP4. If it's not quite there yet, tweak your prompt, tighten the action, adjust the mood words, or clarify what to avoid, and generate again. Small changes can noticeably improve pacing, lighting, and composition. Repeat until the result matches your vision, then download the final version and keep it organized in your project folder. That's it. Go to Krea, choose video, write a clear prompt, generate, preview, and download. Enjoy turning words into motion.